Well, folks, we're doing pretty good. This is bass number 3, and I was looking at this guy looks to be the biggest one of the day, and I'm right between two brush piles. There's one, and here's the other one, and this guy was kind of waiting right around the corner. He's getting pretty active now, but I think I missed him before, and I said, I'm coming back to get you. And it looks like I have succeeded in getting this guy, and this guy is the biggest one of the day. So that's good. I like that. So we'll bring him in, and let's see what he looks like. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, well, not bad. Nice looking fish. Nice and healthy. That's what we want here. And my neighbor wants some bigger bass. There are some big bass in here. I've got my PB in here. Like I said, my neighbor's wife got an awesome one just 2 weeks ago. So anyway, we're having fun, and I'm gonna put this guy back in.